Good job, sweetie. Meow. Whoa! It was close.
Hey, Katie. Katie, say, I'm Catherine and I just learned how to ride my bike. Say, I'm Katie and I just learned how to ride my bike.
I'm Katie, I just learned today riding my bike.
And how do you get going?
Catherine is still pretty fast. Catherine, line up next to me, because we're going to have a race. And I can say, go, first one to the neighbor's car.
Look at her go. You want to learn how to ride without your training wheels then? Yeah. What did it do? You can do that too.
Mommy, can you take my training wheels off? I don't want this princess things on it. Just don't need them. But they're red. Now they're... Whoa, it's all real.
Congratulations, Katie.
I need money for this.
You need what?
I need money for this. And a trophy. And I need a race next.